Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. Today I will show you how to create a 3D model from the existing 2D drawing with the help of FreeCAD tools like Extrude, Pocket, Mirror, Polar Pattern, and Fillet. This is the exercise for today. Here you find the steps and the tools that I used to convert this 2D drawing into this 3D solid part. We finalize this 3D solid part in 4 steps. In step 1, we sketch the position 1 top profile on XY plane and we create a solid part with the Extrude tool. Here are the dimensions. Activate the Sketch tool and then select the XY plane. Sketch the circle with a radius of 45 mm at the center. Next, sketch the small circle with a radius of 4 mm at the center. Now, activate the Centered Rectangle tool and then sketch the rectangle on the horizontal axis. Let us add the dimensions to the rectangle. Next, remove unnecessary edges and curves with the Trim tool. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. Select the sketch and activate the Extrude tool. In the dialog window, select the option Symmetric and set the length to 19 mm. In step 2, we remove material from the upper and the lower part of the created part with the Pocket tool. Select the top face and then activate the Sketch tool. Now, sketch the 2 circles with a radius of 7.5 and 37.5 mm from the origin. As you see, the sketch is full constrained. Select the sketch and activate the Pocket tool and then set the depth to 5 mm. Now select the Pocket and then activate the Mirror tool. In the dialog window, select the option Base XY plane. Click OK to confirm. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video. In step 3, we sketch position 3 profile on XY plane and remove material from the created part with the Pocket and Polar Pattern tools. Select this face and then activate the Sketch tool. Let us extract the reference curves from the existing part. Now, sketch the 3 circles with the radius 5 mm in the distance of 10 mm. Constrain the upper and the lower circles vertical and also symmetrical to the horizontal axis. Hold Ctrl button and select the center points and the symmetry axis, and then activate the Symmetry tool. Now, assign the dimensions. Next, sketch a curve on the horizontal axis and then constrain it tangential to the circles. Now, sketch 2 lines and then constrain them tangential to the circles. Next, remove unnecessary edges and curves with the Trim tool. Assign the missing dimensions. Click Close to exit the fully constrained sketch. Select the sketch and activate the Pocket tool and then set the depth to 10 mm. Next, we create the other cutouts with the Polar Pattern tool. Select the last pocket and then activate the Polar Pattern tool. In the dialog window, select the option Base Z axis and set the occurrences to 6. The last step is to add a fillet with a radius of 2.5 mm. Activate the Fillet tool and select the edges and then set the fillet radius to 2.5 mm. That is for today. Follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.